So guys, today I'm going to be showing you all how to fit a rope toy for a dog. So these are the equipments that I'll be needing. So I need this, my rope here, my scissors, my lighter, my crochet hook, and the toilet roll carton. Then finally the tape to measure. So the first thing that I'm going to do, I'm going to take my rope and I'm going to measure. I need 150 centimeters of my rope. So here I go. So the entire tape, that's it. I cut. So I need 5 of them like this, 5 of the ropes. So these are the remaining 4 exactly. You cut all of them equally that I've cut. So you put all of them like this together. Then you take your toilet roll carton, and this, the carton, you pass it inside like this. You leave some space here like this. So you are going to begin rolling it on top of your carton from the lower section like this. You roll it and you go up. So when you reach there, the next thing that you are going to do is you are going to carefully remove your toilet roll box. Carefully remove your toilet roll box. Then this remaining part of the yarn this way, you pass it inside. You see, this one is down this way, and the other one, the first one that was inside, is up the other way. So the next thing that I'm going to do is I'm going to pull them together. I'm going to carefully pull together to form a knot. Carefully pull them together to form a beautiful knot like this. So here is my knot. So the next thing that I'm going to be doing, I'm going to put this like this together. So here I'm still going to pass this section inside the toilet roll box. Put like that inside the toilet roll box. Like that. So I'm still going to roll. I'm going to roll it like this. Then I'm going to pull it back out. I'm going to pull back carefully like that back. So what next? I'm going to pass the yarn, my ropes inside. pass my rope inside. Then I'm still going to do the same thing. Carefully pull them together. To form my second knot. So this is my first knot and this is my second knot. So the next thing that I'm going to do is I'm going to separate it, each side into 5 and the other side into 5. Then I'm going to tie together as easy as it is, like this. I do the first tying, then the second tying. Then this other way I'm going to do the same thing. The first tying, then the second tying. First tying, second tying, then I fix it. So the next thing, I do the last tying, the third. To have a bigger knot down, like that. And remember, the bigger your ropes are, the beautiful your knots they will look. So if you have bigger ropes, more than mine, you can just use one single rope and you see it's going to be more beautiful. Could be more beautiful than this. So right now, what next I'm going to do, I'm going to cut this. That's the use of my scissors. I cut, then I come this other way as well. I cut. So what next, I come with my lighter here. I burn. This burning is to protect this mouth for it not to get scattered faster, because if you just leave it like this, by the end of the day this can start getting loosened. So the best thing to do is you burn it. When you burn it now like this, so I'm going to take now my crochet hook and I'm going to hide the ropes inside. The first, come this other way, the same, and the last one. Make sure you hide them well. So you see, then this other section, you make sure you do the same thing. Come here, that's it. That's it. that's it, and that's it. So you can see, so that's your toy gun, as easy as you can imagine. So you just need to give it to your puppy, and the puppy will be using to bite to build up the teeth. Thank you all guys for watching. Please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to my channel. So guys, that's the final look of it. You can see how easy it is. So you can make yours very easy, more than you can imagine.